It's really great waking up to a friend in the morning, you know, having Holly will come and she'll climb right up on my chest and she'll just lie down there and and she'll look at me in the eyes and she'll just wait. And it's really nice. It's a great way to wake up and start the day. And I think for anybody who works from home, you know, especially artists, I can imagine, the way you start the day is really important. And it's really wonderful to start and end the day, for that matter, with a cuddly friend.
Waiting on the man. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world. Do you see? We're after the same rainbows and waiting around the bend. My huckleberry friend, moon